What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I bought another computer, and I like having these external hard drives on them because I can not only back up to it, but then I can also offload video files, which I shoot a lot of, and not clog up the hard drive on my computer. So I picked this one up. It's a Western Digital WD Elements. You know, it should be a pretty small portable drive, but it's a 4 terabyte hard drive, which is nice. So I just thought I would show it to you. One of the things that they always come formatted for, I think, is Windows, and I can't remember if it's NTFS or exFAT or what, but if you want to use them with a Mac, which is what I'm actually going to do here, you have to reformat them for that. So it does come with a micro USB cable here for connecting. This is kind of that standard portable hard drive connector on this end. You'll need that. And then it is pretty small. I mean, it's about the size of a wallet, right? That's definitely not that big. Here's a portable power bank, about same size, definitely a little thicker, as you might be able to see. So we've got a, you know, a decent sized, pretty light. Got a little silicone feet on the bottom here, definitely rounded. Hard plastic case. We've got the connector right there, and then Western Digital on the front. And then I don't know if there's any lights or anything, but typically maybe there, that might be a little USB or a little LED behind that little pin there. So 4 terabytes in the palm of my hand. I'm pretty excited about that. It should give me lots of space to be able to back things up without having to need a new one. So check it out. If you want to pick this up, I got it for under $100 on Amazon, which I think is a pretty good price, especially for the size, portability, and capacity. Peter Von Panda out.